connecting with the community is a very big motivation.
But here I saw a lot of enthusiastic folks interested in Google Cloud technologies, how to solve real world problems using Google Cloud tech. That is something is very phenomenal is here.
Because we also need to reach out to students. They are the one who's going to be learning all these things in the future.
It has a good balance of working professionals and students, and all the topics that were shared at this particular event, I think they were very wonderfully created.
The AIs that were used, Firebase, Kubernetes, and the wonderful explanation.
Yeah, overall experience was pretty good.
All the attendees are amazing. It was a great networking session, meeting amazing speakers out here.
Right, so yes, once again, great memories, and maybe I'll be back again next year.